Many times I watched. Kantara already done. In theater only 3 times. With friends, with family. I have one Bahubali in my home. Oh, then plan a movie. Part 3. Bahubali. So 3 is there, na? 3. Any update given? This, okay. Okay. Any questions from anyone? Okay. Let's get started then. Uh, One question to you. Just I want to test your skill set and the way you are thinking to solve the issue. Okay. Just I want to ask you one question. You may think this is easy question, but it's not about question easy or not. How you can rectify the issue is very important. How you are proactive is very important. How you can think is very important. So from this answer, you can understand you are in the right direction or still need to improve. Okay. Then also you can understand the part of AI. If something issue will come, how AI will help also. We can discuss. Scenario is simple question. It's not a big one. We are learning many things, but simple question easy to only. How my Linux class is also important. Also, you can understand now. Okay. Guys, this is my EC2 server. Guess hard disk and RAM. What is the relation? Hard disk and RAM. Anyone know? Hard disk and RAM. How these two will work? Simple way. Tell me. Please, guys. BTech definitions. RAM is temporary. No. How hard disk and RAM will work together is my question is. Leave it for the Google definitions, please. Non-volatile, and persistence, non-persistence. It's a temporary. Divide one border. Here RAM, here ROM. The day is already done, right? Please. Using scale, divide. Here put heading RAM, here ROM. RAM 1 point, ROM 1 point. RAM 2 point, ROM 2 point. The days are done. Input and out. Frequent required data, very good. RAM, memory act as a cache. Okay. No. The relation RAM and hard disk. Very good. RAM is used for the running process. Very good. Next. Hard disk will help to RAM or not? If yes, when, where, how? Very good, Shravani. Very good. Okay. RAM is a front end, hard disk is a back end. This is correct actually. So hard disk will help to RAM to initialize the process, booting time or process time and all. So what happened exactly in my one of the server, crucial server, very crucial server this is. Okay. Root volume is there, EBS. Now you can understand my Linux class's importance, okay? This is root volume. What happens? This EBS volume is 30 GB. My existing server, 30 GB got full now. 30 GB also full. Understand? Now, what we can do? 30 GB full complete, not even 1 KB left. This is, which type of server? Log collector server. Like Promptel is there na, in our discussion. Observability. Node exporter is there na. Prometheus is there na. Kind of one agent collecting the logs. It's a log stash. I'm going to take workshop. Log stash, collect the logs, store and send to Grafana or Datadog or New Relic or Loki. Different dashboards. Now all logs are stored. My complete GB got full. Understand what I'm trying to say? Now, how to rectify this issue? I want to log in my server, but login also not working. SSH process also not working. To run SSH process, hard disk gives support to RAM. No support. Backend is not supporting, completely full. Now login is not possible to connect this server. You may say Veera can delete a logs. To delete a logs, you have to connect the server only, right? Next, tell me. This is not possible. So you have to think 3 ways how to resolve the issue, how to overcome this kind of issues in the future, how to give permanent solution for this issue. Okay? Why this issue came? Why this issue occur? Always you need to, any intro question or any scenario, guys, you have to think like this. Why this issue occur? How to fix? And again, how to fix? And again, how to fix permanently? How to overcome this kind, how to prevent this kind of issues? How to preventive measures? Understand the things what I'm saying here? So now you can understand the importance of my classes. No doubt on this. No doubt on this. Tell me. Please don't check ChatGPT. Even if you check ChatGPT, also no use. You can try. First, what you need to, where you need to look. How to fix, why this issue occur, how to fix permanently, how to take preventive measures this. Which one you can take first? How to? One. Clear na? Very good. Tell me how to fix. So tell me how to fix. See, Harshit is saying instance type change easily. Now I'll tell you one thing. So many things will come into the picture. This server created 2017. Running continuously from 2017. It's been 8 years. Clear na? Now this server is on ASG. This server is on auto scaling group. This server is on auto scaling group. Tell me. One server only running. Nisha Kumari, when the instance ends. So first understand the condition. I'm unable to log in to delete anything. I'm unable to log in a server because storage is 100%. Your SSH process also run, some storage required. No storage left. No SSH process is running to connect the server. When you raise the EC to connect, na background one process run. When you run a SSH, backend one process run. When you try to connect VPC endpoint, one backend one process run. SSM agent, backend one process run. But no process will run 100% full. No new process will exist. Run here. Then same thing happened yesterday. Still issue is pending. Tell me. Reboot instance make clear. Guys, think in different way. How many servers are there? If you reboot, what will happen? If you reboot hard disk, will any new data will update? RAM only clear, but hard disk is full. If you restart your laptop, any hard disk storage will be deleted. You guys only saying, right? Volatile, non-volatile. Restart not a solution for hard disk storage. It's only for RAM. Even this is production server now, live server. Only one server is there. How you can restart live server directly? Are you able to do directly? Is it good to do directly? Flipkart server is running now. Are you going to do Flipkart restart? It's application, production application running, right? Next. Login from console. You are not understanding what I'm saying. Take AMI and create a new one. How to create new one? This is the existing server configurations done, right? Take AMI somewhat, you are right, Vinayak. That's what we think also. If you take AMI, what will happen? Same storage will come. Right or not? Same storage only will come. Understand or not? You can create AMI and you can create launch the server. Same hard disk here and there also. We cannot increase the volume while creating a server if you create from the AMI. You can add additional volume. Again, if you add additional volume, again process is what? Mount process. Additional volume, you have to connect the server, right? Mount process. And again, you have to do. But I'm unable to connect, right? Add another EC2 in auto scaling. User add in AMI. That's what I'm saying. User add in AMI. If you create a new server, expand the hard disk to log into. That's what Linux classes are important. If EBS volume expand again, what you need to do? We have to run the grow part command. That should log in the server only we have to run. Increase the file system and partitioning, right? Without connect, we cannot run. Console level EBS volume will update, but server partition level, it will not update until you run the growfs command. Right or not? SSM session manager also background one process required, but hard disk is full. Next. Can you create, how you can create a new server? Existing server only required, right? Can we create a new server by taking a snapshot of old server, but new instance type of new server and increase the storage? This is somewhat good. Very good, Harshit Kumar. But understand one thing. This server is running from 2017. Okay. We got this project last year only. We don't know what configuration they made before. All configurations not will come through AMI, right? They may do some, they did some configurations. The configuration may not reflect, right? First, we have to, what configuration they did, we need to understand or not. For example, it's a log stash. Log stash means it will connect Prometheus. What Prometheus will do? Collect the metrics and send to Grafana. Many configurations are there in the background. The configurations may not come along with the AMI. Then, somewhat you are right, Harshit. But if the server is, it's running, for example, 2024 and all, okay, 1 year I can check what configuration they made. Same configurations will reflect or not, we can see. Understand or not? But it's been 8 years. They did many things manually, definitely, no doubt. If you create a new server, those configuration will be lost, so production system will be impacted. existing server, any ways to fix this issue? Small instance volume increase also, many challenges are there in the real time. It's not easy. Many students can say increase the volume, but SSH unable to log in, right? They don't know. Increase the volume will update only they can understand. It's not like that. Whoever attended my Linux classes only they can understand the correct process now. Clear or not? If whoever missed the Linux classes, they can keep on saying increase the EBS volume only. But increase EBS volume not update into partition level, file level. We have to run the resize command only. Understand each and every class is very important. Next, not yet done. Wait. How to fix? Let's park aside for 10 minutes. Okay. Next. Escalation matrix. First this one. Next is what? This is park 10 minutes. Next. Huh? How? Very good. Why this issue occur? Then fix permanently. Right or not? Why this issue occur? Tell me how to check. How to check? Why this issue occurs? So let's how to fix Parquet 10 minutes side means you are able to log in the server first. Understand? And next, what you can do? Why this issue occur? How to find out? Simply don't say always CloudWatch and all here. CloudWatch is not by default configured until they configure only, right? So definitely CloudWatch is not configured this server. If CloudWatch is configured, definitely will get an alert. It's a different story. Server level, what you can do? Tell me. Again, my Linux classes are very important, right? Here also will come. Tell me. How, what you can check with my Linux commands, with my Linux classes, tell me as a reference. Very good. Volume monitoring. How to check volume monitoring? I have discussed one command. How to check first in the server? LSBLK, very good. Number of disks. And next, each disk, what is the volume is sharing? Which command? df-h, very good. By seeing that, what is the existing volume? Current volume. Both are 100%. Which volume it is? Root volume, maybe additional volume. How to find out? There is a mount directory path, right? The mount directory path. Okay, this path is full. Okay, this path is full means you can identify on this path what and all is running. Clear or not? One command I discussed, right? du-sh. Number of one directory, how much space it is taking. Right. You can run that command. Ashish, listen what I'm saying. What I said, ignore this for 10 minutes. Let's think you are able to log in. Next, how to resolve, next step is what I'm saying. This is helpless now. Okay, but we are not in the situation, right? Next is what? If it is work, next is what I'm saying. Here already all whatever suggestions you guys are giving already done. Okay, all are helpless, even me. Next, okay, next is what I'm saying. Why this occur? So you can check on which directory is taking more space. Which mount path is taking more space. Then which process is running on this mount? Tell me, inside server, what and all process are running, how to check? Top will give CPU RAM information only. Which process is running on which port? How to? PS aux. Total processor running. Which processor running? PS aux we can validate. Which process is running on which port? I discussed or not command? This server is running on total listen on which port? How many ports? I discussed or not? Which port, which process? Discussed or not? You have to find out all the things. Make a list. How many ports are listening? You no need to go SG. SG all about who can access, who cannot access only. But inside server, what and all running is important now. Issue is no one can access. Issue is not no one can access. Issue is server inside. PS aux, port number scanning, nmap, netstat command, tilpin command. Next is what? Yeah. On each port, which process is running, you just make a list first. Understand? So you have to understand all the process. These process are running. This process taking more CPUs. This process is taking more RAM. Start again working on this. Why this is taking? And again, this process is taking from how long? For example, 2 years onwards or 3 years onwards, this process is taking more, or only last 10 days only process is taking more. Only last 10 days means what happened exactly last 10 days? Any Git commits are there? Or anyone did any changes? Why happened this? Let's identify the issue. Clear na? Next is what? Okay, you have identified some issue. Next is what? Delete few storage related files. Next, what you will do? Okay, you have deleted some files. Next, what you will do? You will update ticket to customer. I have deleted. Now working fine. Is this your job now? Next, what you can do? Tell me. So interview is not about what interviewer is asking to say directly. You have to create the situation to explain each and everything. Then only you will get some good impact on you. My disk is full. Interviewer will ask, disk size increase. You can say it's not all good. Why issue will come? How you can resolve? You have to imagine each and everything to explain the answer to interviewer. Okay. Tell me, you have find out the issue. You have deleted some files. Now you got some 2 GB space, 3 GB space, 5 GB space additionally. Next is what? Next is what? Again, come here. Next is what? You have identified the issue. You have removed some files. This is called temporary fix, right? Okay. Now, happily, everyone is able to connect the server. Next is what? Increase the volume. Again, you are thinking for like that only. If increase the volume, again, volume will grow or not automatically. Files will come or not. Not today, maybe next Monday. Next Monday also you have to take a right. Then what will happen? The background audit team, same issue happened last week, right? Why again this issue is coming now? At that time, you haven't fixed the issue permanently. Clear or not? Tell me. What you can do? Ramya, very good. What is the process? Log rotation. What is log rotation? Log rotation I haven't discussed here. Like next time I'll discuss. I told you, right? I'll discuss. Hello? Yes? Okay. So log rotation. Log rotation, delete the files a specific duration, right? For example, your logs are there for last 3 years, 4 years. I don't want, right, to keep the logs into your server, right? What I can do? Implement a rotation inside the server, delete my server inside logs every week. Keep the last week logs only. Same like a CloudWatch. We have enabled retention period something, right? CloudWatch inside delete logs automatically. Same process you have to implement inside the server level also. Next is what? Okay, every week logs will be deleted. Okay, that's fine. Next is what? One more thing also. Why we didn't notice this before? Clear na? Why didn't notice before? Issue raised means you supposed to alert before, right? At least 95% storage got full. 90% storage got full. No one see 1,000 plus servers are running. How do I check every time? Which space, which disk, which server, right? I need a good monitoring system or not? Why monitoring system is fail here? No monitoring system was implemented. 2017, right? Okay. So what we can do, suggest to client, immediately implement log rotation plus monitoring for the storage. This is a server log stash. It will consume more, it will take more information from the all the server. Definitely storage issues will come in the future also. So, okay. Monitoring setup. What you need to focus monitoring? Storage disk full metrics you have to enable. Storage metrics, if more than 80%, you will get alert, right? Same process we discussed or not? When Grafana Prometheus time, your load is more than CPU, that will give a alert to you, your pager duty. Right or not? Same what we can do, you can add one more rule. We have discussed 3-4 rules, right? CPU, RAM, something. You can add disk rule also. Disk volume increase. What will happen if disk is more than 80%? Immediately it will give alert to PagerDuty or Slack, whatever, it will give alert to you. What alert means what? This disk reached to 80%. If you ignore, what will happen? That will reach to 90%. That will reach to 100%. That will create a scenario no one can log in. Why didn't check before? Also, you have to look into it. Maybe your team, any one of the team is ignored the alert, right or not? So team immediately will check who ignored this alert before. This is production system. Where investigation will start accordingly. Any alerting system is not configured. Why? Why you haven't given any suggestion to client to implement this alerting system? Okay. Finally, they're okay. So issue is in both end. So you realize that enable log rotation, metrics, and alerting system. Okay. So definitely, can I say this is fixed permanently? No. Yes. How to take preventive measures? Alerting system. A very good alerting system into your system. Clear now? So that we can prevent this kind of issues in the future. So you have to think like that. How many concepts covered here? For small instance, EBS volume increase. How many concepts involved here? Metric system, CloudWatch system, log rotation system, Linux commands, disk commands, process commands, which port, which process is running, auto scaling concept. Why auto scaling concept? This server is an auto scaling group, right? If you restart, auto scaling group create a new server immediately with new configurations. Old configuration may not come with the new server. We don't know what changes they did at the time. Clear or not? What will happen? System may break. Again, problem will come. If you stop the server, health checks will fail. Immediately auto scaling group create a new server. Again, danger. Clear na? So what we can do? Deregister auto scaling group first. So if you deregister auto scaling group, if you do anything in the instance, auto scaling group will not get a new server first. If you deregister, again issues will come. Production system, we are not supposed to deregister auto scaling group. You will get alert. The reason auto scaling group, if you deregister means what? If server will delete, complete system will down. No server will create, right? Again, we have to give explanation to client. So this is an auto scaling group. Give the some time, 15 minutes or 20 minutes time to me. I need to do some investigation on this. In this investigation, I can stop the server. I can restart the server. Give the flexible time. So maintenance window period, we have to investigate on this. Again, client can question to us, why only one server running? Auto scaling group 2 servers minimum we have to maintain. Desert state, why one is running? He know everything. He can again question to us only. This project started 8 years back, right? He can ask to us only. Minimum 2 servers should run, right? Desert state, why one only running? We are supposed to ask this question to client, but client before he can ask the question to us. We have to accept that. Once project hand out to you means you are the responsibility. What happened before, no one can take care. What is happening present is important. Clear na? So understand here. Understand here. Small issue, how to think. Many answers. Many answers. Many strategies. Which strategy is less impact is a very important. Clear na? In interview, simply they can ask, don't give blind answers. My instance disk got full. If they ask what you do, I can connect and increase the volume. How you? We are not supposed to create a space between you and your interviewer. He clearly mentioned my disk 100% full. How to resolve the issue means the meaning is what you are unable to connect the server first. You need to understand that. You are not supposed to ask, electing system is not working. You don't ask to interviewer. He is given us some scenario. You don't again reverse question to interviewer. You guys miss some alert? No. I'm assuming you have to say like this interview. I'm assuming in this situation occurs means I hope no alerting system is configured on this server. If it is, definitely will get an alert. Okay, I'm assuming no CloudWatch, no alerting system is not configured for this server. You have to say to like this. So, and I need to check this server is an auto scaling group or not first. And this server is running from the how long? I mean, from when exactly the server is running, history and all. What configurations are running in this server? Any history is there? I need to check first. You are not supposed to say log in a server first. Increase the volume, decrease the volume. You are not supposed to say first. Identify the issue, why issue is occur, any logs are there. If logs are not there, simply metrics also not there. Simply the server is 100% full means first I can check one or two servers are running on ASG or not. If two servers running, no need to worry. You can stop one server, change the desired state to one, and existing server is there now. You can do some activities why issues occur. You can restart or stop or something. You can do anything. But only one server is running. We have to think twice. If it will stop, any systems will be impact or not. We have to understand. This server is configured. Any load balancer we have to check. Load balancer sending a traffic or not. This server we have to check. Clear? These and all outside server activities. Again, you are not supposed to say I can check psox command. It's a server inside activity. They clearly mentioned disk got full. Load balance sending a traffic or not. We have to think everything. We have to try to solve the issue. If something is not possible, we have to take some maintenance window. We have to stop the server, restart the server. Maybe chances are there. Otherwise, we have to detach the volume, attach to new server. While attaching time, you can configure a additional disk to the new server, and you can log in the server. Additional volume it will take, and you can rectify the issue. Understand? So many things are there here. Yeah, what happened, why it happened, when it happened is very important. You have to assume if they give any question. Simply one word answers not at all good. Understand? Yeah. So this is the things, how things are related. Now ASG dependencies there are not, launch template dependency there are not, AMI dependency there are not, networking dependency there are not, monitoring, logs, alerting. See, small issue, many impact, many things are dependencies are there. Understand real time what they will do. So guys, this is also very good, Harshit Kumar. So very good. This is 100%. I can appreciate Harshit Kumar in this case. Why he is saying EBS to EFS? Anyone guess? Why Harshit Kumar is saying EBS to EFS can I move? Tell me. Very good. It's a unlimited storage, scalable storage. Again, my Linux concept is there or not here also. My classes all are real-time classes only, guys. I'm not taking from the theories, YouTube's, Google. I'm not going to discuss this concept at all. If any concept I discuss, if I'm taking a one session means the session is very important. You have to understand. My time is very important, first of all. I'm not going to waste my time to silly things to discuss here. Creation of server, creation of bucket, creation of database. It's not like that. Many things are there, many dependencies are there. So understand, each and every class is very important. Agreed or not, everyone? Online team? Experienced people? Agreed, huh? Still any confusions? This is what I have given interview, sir, but my resume is my profile is not shortlisted. Why? I have given correct answer only. You have given correct answer only, but other person is given answer plus why this issue happened, how we can overcome, what things need to assume, what things supposed to not assume. He have explained everything. Understand? Definitely no doubt on this. If you are in my place also, you can also do same thing only. If you are interviewer, definitely you can also take same decision only, right? Explaining is most important, guys. Everyone knows. You are all my students only, right? I'm giving training to all. Why few people only get a job? They're following clear way. Not only complete attend a classes. Okay, today concept is only this one complete task done. I'm not expecting this at all. What I have explained today, you have to ask to. No one is questioning me, guys. I'm always welcome to question me here. Why we are discussing this one? Can I do like this? Can I do like? See, now Harshit is asking, right? Same you need to ask the question to me. I'm very happy if you ask the questions. When your student is ready to ask the question, student is learning something additionally. I'm not as such a person to feel if student ask one question, nothing to worry here. If I know, I explain. Otherwise, ask to time. Let me look and I'll tell like tomorrow. Understand? But unfortunately, no student is put me in any trouble. You have to do that. When I ask this thing means don't ask, sir, Java, that issue is ongoing. Hello? Yeah. Yes. ఎక్కడి నుంచి? Hmm. Clear na guys? Any questions from anyone? Any questions from anyone? So still issue is pending my end. I'll give the implementation plan. What I going to implement and later I can explain. Okay. Still I haven't performed this issue. Still is an open case only. Issue is not resolved. So based on the client response, I can proceed. How did you manage to log in? That's what now I'm saying. I have given two proposal to customer. Which one they said I can proceed. Login is not possible now. This is very clear. Any process if you choose, process is required, volume is required. Login is not at all possible. This is very clear. Clear na? Some cases, your mobile got full now. Your WhatsApp also unable to open, right? But the mobile is running on completely RAM. Right? Now mobiles all are inbuilt memory only. If you restart many applications close, again you will get some space. Immediately you can delete the things. Right or not? Otherwise, I don't know whether you remember or not. Olden days, if something is full, we have to go to mobile shop. They will connect to laptop. They will delete something. They will give to you. This is a process. Why? It's not RAM. It's additional disk. Understand? 256 MB, 512 MB only. Now all about 64 GB, 1 TB and all, right? Yeah. I'll definitely let you know definitely once issue will resolve. Many issues will come, guys. This kind of issues every day, one issue, two, three issues will come. See, without headaches, no one can give salary. Understand? Don't think in IT if they're giving a 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, no one can give free of without doing anything 60 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs, right? The background, lot of things are there. You have to work. Sundays, if issue will occur, you have to face many issues. You have to take stress, hair loss, sight will come, eyesight will come, hair loss will come. No proper sleep, no proper walk, no proper thinking. Many things will come, hallucinations. Some cases, literally, I don't know what I have explained yesterday. I'll come and I'll ask you. Many things will run in your mind. People will see Friday parties, Saturday parties, IT means. It's not at all like that, guys. Only 1%, maybe people are like that only. 99%. It's not like that. IT employees, all women's are not, but all women's are not going to any parties, guys. Only 1% women's, 1% men's only going to parties. 99% are not doing like this. IT means don't think in that way. This is not fact. Understand? Yeah. So many things are there. It's not about IT means not about parties, not about lakhs. It's a stress. Understand? No proper sleep. Only 6 hours sleep. This is also God grace. Huh. How you manage your health? God only taking care. I don't know. Yaar. I'm strong, first of all. I'm strong. Okay. So no one can change easily my mindset. I'm independent. I mean, my work point of view, I'm saying I'm not dependent on my work. So I'm strong. At what time you wake up and sleep? I don't know. Frankly speaking, I don't know. I don't know how I'm managing, first of all. Frankly speaking, yes, I don't know. My wife also asking every day, how you are managing sleep? I don't know. Some cases in my life, I haven't sleep 8 hours till now. I mean, my corporate life, I'm saying. I haven't sleep 8 hours. It's in my 10 years, you believe or not, I don't know. I haven't sleep 8 hours till now. Understand? I don't know if I sleep, what will happen? 8 years, 8 hours. Always six. My lucky number is seven, guys. Okay. This is some cases happen. Some cases may not happen. Eight is no ways. Okay. So don't, I mean, what I believe this is the time to prove. Maybe after 3, 4 years, completely take rest also. If something I can earn, no need to do hard work, right? At that time, I definitely can take a rest. Yeah, this is not permanent, temporary only. But here, if I take a rest, my future generation may be impact, right or not? Yeah. So my kids, so something is there, right? Yeah. If you sleep at least 8 hours, you feel relaxed. I think in my training, no difference. Okay. Maybe. We'll try. We'll try. See, in IT, people always sleep at 12 p.m. midnight. Always. You can check anyone. No one can sleep 10. If they sleep like that, their work is relaxed. Their job is good. After 12 only, right? Everyone knows, right? Then I need to start morning 7 a.m. class, right? Then definitely I need to wake up at morning 6 a.m. So 12 to 6, 6 hours, 6 hours. In between, if my kid is not disturbed, that is bonus again. Hmm. So God grace, I don't have BP, sugar, thyroid. I'm very good. Recently, I have taken health insurance also. Immediately, they have given with my all reports without any checking, without any further validations also. I'm very good in terms of weight and all. You don't worry for that. Okay. So if you do, I mean, when your age is at 30, I mean, 25 to 35 or 40, you can do anything, no problem. Nothing will come to your health. Understand? But after 40, definitely you have to take care. That's what. After 40, definitely you have to sleep minimum 7 hours. After 50, 8 hours. After 60, 9 hours. After 65, complete sleep. Understand? Yeah. So all about the One human life, if you can take all about 15 years only. Only 15 years all about. If you want to do anything, enter your human life. If you can take only, I'm talking about 15 years only. 1 to 24. Your studies, education, what parents you can say they can follow, right? But individuality you will get after 25 only. Marriage, job, settlement. If your parents are earn much, okay, somewhat okay. But you have to take care everything means definitely you have to come up with your ideology. So actual life will start. Struggles also will start 25, 25 only. Until then that your parents will take care. If anyone can ask, BTech something, MTech, you can say, right? But after that, real life will start 25. How your life will end depends on this journey, 25 to 35 or 40. Later, if you do hard work, if you are willing to do hard work based on the situation also, definitely your body will not support, your mindset will not support, situations will not support, and many things will come. Understand? So don't compromise this age, especially for sleep. And yes, you can spend time with your friends. Always, this is also very important. You believe or not, I watch every movie in theater only. If you can come Sunday, I'm in Triple Mall only with my friends. Definitely, I watch all the movies. Yeah, some cases with family, some cases with me. Luckily, my wife also working. Otherwise, many wars will. If I work like this, if I'm not in my home, definitely issues will come, right? My wife also full busy. She is group one officer. Okay, she's very busy, gazetted officer. I'm also busy. Both are busy. Kids only Saturday, Sunday. We have a time. Right or not? My son also busy now. First son. His school timings are yes, Jubilees Public School. So he is also busy. Now, second kid, 2 years completed, third year. We need to think which school is good again. He is also busy next. Everyone is busy. No one, there is no time to spend with your family every day. It's not possible. Only weekends. Clear, na? Hmm. So keep remember all the things. Nothing will come easily. After many struggles, something will come that will stay with you always. Clear or not? So prepare from today, 8 hours. You guys. Okay. Any questions? Hmm? Any questions? See why I'm saying, na, guys. In my life also, nothing come any. I mean, nothing come very easily. Lot of struggles. Even my job also, 2 years, lot of struggles. Part-time jobs, 1500 also I work. In just a small shop, I work 1500 also. Things will come after many struggles only. If someone can come and easily give a job, you think why he's giving job easily. So by seeing now, maybe many people may think he's come every day, car, something. Nothing. Before I don't know anything. How to drive a car also I don't know 5 years back. Understand? Many people I know that in labs what's going on and all. So he is rich. Maybe he is coming like that. I'm not rich, guys. Frankly speaking, I'm paying 2 lakhs EMI. Understand? Frankly speaking, you don't know about. By seeing others can easily judge. Okay. What I want to in my life, I'm just living my life. What I thought, what I decided in my intern BTech, I want this car like this. I just what I want to live. So I'm just following only. That's it. One student asked me that. Two students, not one student. My car number, especially. Why, sir? So, guys, see, 7 is my lucky number. Understand? See, here also, you don't seem like I'm rich. No, I want 7. Everything, my life related to 7. That's what it's maybe it's my lucky number. Understand or not? So, that's what I took this number on the auction. Understand? So 007, many people give tough at the time, auction time. Even Jubileel's MLA son, I think, he also participated with me for the auction. I said anything is okay. I decided to take this number. He is also participating with me. So 3,20,000. I paid for the number. Understand? So he called me and said, "Why you are giving 3,20,000? I ready to give 5 lakhs also." That's why he dropped. See, the things are my life I started without mobile. I mean, inter also, I don't have any mobile. BTech also no mobile. Frankly speaking, go to a college through bus, that too not college bus. Bus pass I have taken. College bus also I don't have money to pay. Understand? Yeah. So if you do hard work, whatever you want to lead your life, definitely you can lead. Clear now? Hmm. So that's what think like that. Why I'm saying I'm not rich. Okay, I'm not at all rich. I'm just now earning with my everything is my hard work. Nothing. My parents, I mean, they have given only moral support to me. Understand? They're always with me. If I take any decision, marriage, job, anything, they are not saying no till now. Anything, whatever you want, you can take it. This is support what I got from my parents. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's get started. Already 11:35. Okay, guys. So, guys, what concepts we discuss? Let me delete from here. Okay, this is in different directory. I mean, okay. So, day 6, something we can discuss. We have a half an hour time, right? Which concepts? Let me check existing concepts. Hmm? Life cycle rules. I discussed it, right? I don't know what I want to discuss. Uh, Terraform, what concepts is the best one to discuss today? Modules are there, little difficult, guys. Not difficult, time taking process. Workspace, SNS, Cont, OpenTofu, outputs already discussed. 6, import I'll discuss. Yeah, import I'll discuss. What stateful local issues? Developer overriding each other's work if separate the stateful. Yeah, this is what we discuss. Okay, guys, let's discuss import command. How import will work? Yeah, we'll discuss Lambda, we discuss auto scaling group, load balancer, and all everything we discuss. No worries. I'll show project also end to end, full stack project. Import ls cd day 6 import. Yeah. What is Terraform import? Guys, let's discuss. Terraform import. Okay. So guys, let's understand before jump on to the topic of import. For example, I have created a one server. Manually, I have created a one server. Okay, I have deployed the application also inside the server. Just you can take here. So manually, I have created a one server. Remember, manually. So this server now, application also deployed. Let's understand some IRCT's application is running. Okay, IRCT's application is running. Now, this server remaining everything S3 bucket, RDS, and all created through Terraform. But this server only created manually. Understand? Now, I want to take this server. I want to take this server into Terraform control. Understand? In future, they want to manage through this server Terraform. Many configuration done by manually. So rest all the services running through Terraform only. But this server created, client as per the urgency, maybe they have created manually server at the time. Now we are unable to manage through Terraform this server only. Remaining all are able to manage through Terraform, but except this server. You may get a doubt, delete and create a server through Terraform again, right? But application already running, right? If you delete, application will down, right? By keeping the application, by keeping the same server, you can take a control of Terraform, same server instead of delete and create. That's what Terraform import. Clear now? Okay. Let's go to Terraform import. See, this Terraform import, take the resources. Sarena? Take the resources. Now this import, taking all the configurations into Terraform main.tf. Clear na? But you have to understand one important thing. These changes, all information not stored into main.tf. Stored into where? State file. But state file is not exist, right? This is created manually. But guys, import command means many people simply say, take the resource, take the resource. Yes. But what exactly happened now? When you run Terraform import command, by giving a which resource I'm going to import? EC2. What happened exactly? On which directory inside you executed this command? From in the directory created terraform.tf state. Clear now? When you run import, automatically terraform.tf state will be created with existing resource complete details. Now what you need to do? You have to write now main.tf locally. Main.tf is not exist, right? Main.tf inside the resources information is there na. Resources information is there na. This resources information you have to pass based on the stateful information. For example, instance type is t2.micro. Understand? Your resource information, you have to write type equal to, you have to balance the both desired state and current state. Now current state t2.micro created, for example. Desired state also you have to match t2.micro. Otherwise, what will happen? Create, destroy and create. Stateful already updated, right? Stateful updated means what? It's very, we have to take care main.tf to balance, to match result will be 0, desired state and current state. Clear or not? Your main.tf not update automatically when you run the Terraform import command. Main.tf manually how to manage based on the state file. Clear na? You don't think when I run a Terraform import automatically main.tf will be created. No, it will not create. Only state file will be created. From the state file reference, you have to prepare your resource block, local configuration file. While preparing time, you have to understand one thing. This local configuration file is there na? This should be match with existing resource. This is important. Otherwise, what will happen? State will update, right? If you do wrong configurations, state will follow your configurations, which result existing may be delete and create also. For example, my AMI ID, for example, my key name is, for example, Veera. After import, my desired state, I need to mention what? Veera, key name. Otherwise, what will happen if I mention something different? This will be delete and create. When you run import, automatically we got a control of import, control of existing resource from the whatever you have created manually, right? So carefully you have to take care to design the local block, main.tf resource block. Otherwise, existing will be deleted. Clear na? Let me show you practically once so that you will get a clarity. Go to here. I'm creating a server. Testing server. Launch instance. Okay. Let's click on the server. You can check SG here. Yeah, all traffic alert. That's great. Now you can you can run import command for this instance into your local configuration. Now you can see here, my local configuration, day 6, import inside, nothing is there, right or not? So what I need to do here, first write a empty resource block. Understand? Empty resource block. Let's click on it. How to start the process I'm explaining here. Let's go to day 6, sorry. Main.tf. So you can write provider block also. Resource block, AWS. What I need to add here? Instance. That's it. Empty resource block. Now, if you run a import command, state file will create into day 6. To match the state file, you can prepare a configuration file until get 0 changes. Clear now? That's what sync will happen, right? Until get 0 changes means what? Existing server will not disturb. Next time onwards, if you want to do any changes, you can add it to the configuration file inside only. Clear now? Let me show you. The command is Terraform import. So we can give here equal. Let me see. So AWS instance dot name and give the instance ID. This meaning is, I'm saying here, this instance ID need to import into this directory. Okay, this instance resource block is this one. I'm saying here. Now state file inside, this information will be stored, remote information will be stored. If you do anything here, that will communicate your instance only. Right now? So import command. Import command. I'm not sure import command. Terraform help. Hmm. Import, right? Import is not there here. Okay, let's check my existing main.df. Here is not there. Let's go to official document. Terraform import. Just small import command. AWS. Terraform import. This is resource block. Terraform. Oh, no equal. Okay. Uh, init is required, guys. Terraform init. Reconfigure. That is also added. Init is not required case. Plan is required. Let's go to configure. We're taking time. Wait. So let's configure the keys AWS. Run Terraform import command. See, as soon as you can run Terraform import command, you can see here state file will be updated. See, update or not? The state contains what? This is still going on. Why this issue is maybe wrong credentials. Okay. Got it. It's my bad. Let's wait. Oh, okay. So I need to configure keys again. Let's delete any one of the key. Oh, 15 days ago, 2 hours ago. Let's delete this. Deactivate. This key is not with me, so that's what I'm deactivating. And then just 2 minutes, guys. Deactivate and putting Control C, Control V, and then delete. Then create a new access keys quickly as instance ID taken from this account. And next, something name you can give, guys. And take access key. Let's configure quickly. And then secret key. And then you can run Terraform. Clear na? So let's go to main.tf. State file got updated, right? Now, if you apply without anything, it will not work. Minimum value should be there, right? AMI or something. So I'm preparing now. Resource block, AMI ID. I'm just managing local desired state to current state, updating the code. So main important thing is what here? AMI ID, right? AMI ID. Control C. Next is what? Type, instance type. Go to state. You can check console also. T3 dot micro. Next is what? Okay, what I can do, let's run Terraform plan. It will show something is deleting, right? So these two are matching with the remote. These two are not delete. Remaining anything is deleting, we can check and we can update source level. So until get Terraform plan zeros, until get zero, you can do the you can update the source code. Clear na? When the zero changes will come, your resource block, desired state, current state is zero. There is no difference only, right? Yeah. If Terraform plan give the zero changes, then we can proceed. Yes, done. Import process is done. Remaining all things will be along with the server only will get. See, one to change. We are not supposed to apply now. If you apply, what will happen? This change will be updated to the remote state. The change is what here? Tags only. Tags are what? Testing. Tags are going to delete. Why? If I'm not mentioning anything, tags will be deleted or not. Again, I'm going to add tags. Name equal to, give same name, whatever the remote is there. Again, run Terraform plan. Now zero changes will get, no changes, right? I can apply Terraform apply also, right? No issues. Now, if I want to change anything, I can add inside the code. I can proceed for this server. Clear or not? So without deleting a server, I have taken Terraform reference. So this is just instance. S3 means not in instance. Instance ID is the import action, right? S3 bucket name. Terraform import AWS underscore S3 bucket dot name space bucket name. RDS DB identifier. Lambda function name. Like this, the calling, whatever you are calling, depends on the change. Clear na? Yeah, correct, Ashish. We have to update this. By default, this is not update. When you run import, source we have to update to meet the same changes to remote, whatever exists. Otherwise, exist resource will be delete and create. For example, if I give wrong here, wrongly 4, what will happen? Now destroy. That's what we have to check the plan